Hey there, my Zodiacs. Welcome back to where we are cooking some tacos. We're going to have a taco night here at the house. And every time I have sent pictures to my friends of my tacos, or plates of tacos, they always want to know all that goes into it. Now, I can tell you this, it's nothing that is homemade kind of stuff, but first things first, we need to get this meat cooking. More. More. This guy's got a lot. Holy crap. Now, we're going to let this render down and cook, and I will be adding, I don't know, just a little tiny bit of garlic powder and Italian seasoning, just a very, very tiny bit, because this other taco seasoning, it rules the kitchen. I'll be back. Okay, you have made it to my right hand. You are now my right hand person. We are going to be using this taco seasoning. It's Old El Paso seasoning. You put the packet on. I mean, I'm sure you guys know this stuff, but you know, for those who may need help, this is your first time making tacos, it is this easy. This stuff has, let me see, chili pepper, cornstarch, salt, onion powder, spicy salt, and some other stuff that I can't quite pronounce, which is probably not the best for us. But I'm not the person that goes and buys taco seasoning to keep in my arsenal of stuff to cook with. Maybe I should, but then again, that'll make me make tacos way more often, and then I'll get a little bit more chubby than I want to be. Okay, so we have our 2/3 cup of water to go with this seasoning. We'll pour that in. Okay. We are going to start together. I'm trying to keep this camera. Woo. Okay. Okay, so we've got the meat cooked. We got it drained. This is an overpass, or not overpass, a recap. Okay, you cook the meat, you know, 6 to 7 minutes until it's done. If it's sitting in what looks like water, you need to drain it. Unless you buy lean, then you have a better day. But we don't have that right now. Okay, so I'm going to get this all situated. Smack the seasoning in there. It's just habit. I smack the seasoning in there. See if I can break up any of the powder. Okay. Now we have it at a boil, and we are going to reduce down to 3. And we are going to set our timer for about 4 minutes and let that simmer in. Okay, this is what it should look like. Rendered down, still boiling a little bit, but that's okay. We can just go ahead and move it over and let it sit to itself. It will continue to thicken up as it sits out. Let's see, what else? We need beans, right? If I use beans, I get a can of, once again, Old El Paso. My whole family, we've used Old El Paso since I was a little kid, and I like the taste of it, and always have, always will, and apparently my husband does too. So Old El Paso is the way to go. Beans, taco shells, taco seasoning if need be. Okay, so I'm going to, let's see, we're going to nuke the beans in a microwave bowl. We have, let's see, the rest of it's pretty cold stuff. Tomatoes, cheese, lettuce, sour cream, salsa. I do put a little bit of salsa. Let's go ahead and fix my yellow rice to go along with it. Hold on. Here's my little bit of water and 1 tablespoon of butter. What I'm fixing this time is this packet of yellow rice by Mahatma. They are really, really good stuff. Once again, stuff on the back is probably stuff you don't want to put in your body. I need to bring, this is 1 2/3 right here, 1 2/3 cup of water and 1 tablespoon olive oil, so the package says. So I say butter is better. It makes, in my opinion, for a thicker rice and adds an extra flavor to it. But if I need to wait for this to boil. If you're wanting a more at-home yellow rice, I would suggest to, whip up a regular white rice, add some salt and butter, and then turmeric is good. So hold tight, folks. Take a moment just to show that this is dropping out of my hand. Okay. This is thickening up. So have no fear, the meat is fine. Okay, here's our boil, and we are going to add our yellow rice, hopefully without dropping things. And if it's bunched together, the seasoning down at the bottom, it's fine. All you need is the water. Okay. Stir it together. We're going to get it to a boil. And then we are going to put a cap on it and tell it to hold its stuff together in that pot for 20 minutes. And I have a cat that's hungry. Come on, boil, boil. I don't have much battery. That should be good enough. That's fine. Just put a cap on it. And down to 3 we go. Okay, so 20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes. Okay, I've made these. Put them on a nice pan in for, this it says 325 for 5 to 7 minutes. I did 7 minutes on these. They're nice and crisp, and I'm going to be using these. I love the stand-in stuff. It holds so much more. So I'm going to take you guys to my plate, and we are going to put this together. Okay, welcome to my plate where I have some stuff already here. We have our shells moved over here and my pan put away. I'm trying to clean up as I go because it makes for a happy kitchen. Right here I have the lettuce for a regular side salad, and a little bit of these. Our grocery store has been out of shredded lettuce for a good solid couple of months now. I'm assuming that, I don't know, tacos are just really popular right now, and so I've had to shred some of our own to go on top of tacos. And this lettuce is hearts of romaine, so no iceberg lettuce. We're gonna go a little bit greener. Okay, so I'm going to also I have in this bowl, I have my cut up tomato on the vine. And this here, folks, is no ordinary onion. This is a shallot that I have chopped up to also join the salad. So I am going to start here, and we're going to put beans at the bottom of our shells. So hang on. I only have 2 hands. Just showing. 1 little dollop of beans, and we're going to spread it on with a spoon. We want to be able to put good stuff in these bad boys, more than just beans. But I will have those beans for later stuff, since I'm the only one in this house who only eats the leftover beans. So, salad city it is. Maybe some chips. Okay, hold on. Next step after these beans is going to be our meat. So I'm going to take you over here. We're going to put some meat on with this big old spoon. Just make it a happy, happy place. Okay, hold on. I will be right back with these with the meat. One moment. Right. Here we are back with our, let's see, we got cheese. We have first we have beans, meat. I'm going to put cheese near the warmer parts. Let them melt just a little bit, and my hand is stuck in the bag. Come on, just a pinch. Okay, I'll be right back. Hang on. While I am sitting here playing with the cheeses and have them out, I'm going to put a little pinch of sharp cheddar on the salad as well. Right, now we have the bunches of cheese put together. I'm going to take this little bit of lettuce and we're going to add it to the taco. Because why not stuff lettuce where you can in your life? You know, I prefer to stuff lettuce this way instead of just regular old salads, but it won't stop me from eating a salad either. Okay, so we have that. We're going to add tomato. Okay, and shallots to the salad. I'm going to be adding more tomato. Oh, hang on. Not this tomato, but another. That's for the salad. Okay, so shallots, tomatoes, lettuce. Okay, so I am going to go grab some more stuff to put on the stove. Yeah. Okay, so while I have you guys sitting on my sour cream, I'm going to be adding some seasoning to the salad. Sea salt, a tiny pinch of Italian seasoning, and a tiny bit of pepper. Let's do that. It doesn't need a lot, but there was a time when I was watching Hell's Kitchen, and Gordon Ramsay completely went off on somebody for not seasoning a salad, and it pretty much blew my mind. I never knew or thought to season a salad, and I haven't looked back since. Okay, so I'm gonna get, let's see, we only have a few things left. Tomatoes on the salad, salad dressing, the yellow, okay, we'll get this. Okay, so we've got salsa on here. We've got colorful little tomatoes to put on the salad. These, if you're wondering, are called Wild Wonders. And they're just like any other cherry tomato. They're just different color. It's great. So we're going to put some sour cream and other stuff. So hang on. Okay, so here we have everything minus the fork. We have our yellow rice, we have our salad with our Wild Wonders, and our Annie's balsamic vinaigrette, and our nice thick tacos with the sour cream that I put on top. That's the only thing. The salsa is directly underneath that. So I'm going to grab my fork and I'm going to let my tongue go to party town. So I'll catch you guys later. Here's some pictures.